Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to do class 4 English grammar. In English grammar we are going to study chapter 4, which name is the noun gender. Okay, you all know about gender. Today we are going to study about it. Okay, the gender tell us noun is whether the male or female or both or non-living things. Okay, look at the picture and read sentence given below. Look at here are some pictures and here are some sentences. Okay, now we are going to read it. This is a boy, this is a girl, they are friends, this is a chair. In the above sentence 1, the word boy show a male person. Okay, hence it is said to be in masculine gender because this is boy and this is a male person, that's why this is masculine gender. Okay, in sentence 2, the word girl shows a female person. Okay, this is female person, hence it is said to be in the feminine gender because this is girl, that's why this is feminine gender. Okay, in sentence 3, this one. Okay, the word friends show both male and female. Okay, so this is so for both male and female, hence it is said to be in the common gender, that's why this is common gender. Okay, because this is male and female both, that's why this is common gender. Now in sentence 4, this one, the word chair denotes the non-living things. Okay, hence it is said to be neuter gender because this is non-living things, this is chair, that's why this is non-living things, that's why this is neuter gender. Thus we can say the noun have 4 genders. How many genders? 4 gender. First masculine, second feminine, third common gender and fourth neuter gender. Okay. Now first we are going to read masculine gender. So what is masculine gender? These are the nouns which are used to mean the male like Nitin, Thapan, lion, tiger, dog, etc. So this is called masculine gender because this is male. That's why this is masculine gender, not feminine gender. So what is for feminine gender? These are the nouns which are used to mean the female like Neha, Suti, lioness, tigress, beach, girl, woman, hen, etc. So this is female, that's why this is feminine gender. Okay, so these all are female, that's why this is feminine gender. Now common gender. What is common gender? These are the nouns which may be used for either male or female. Okay, when we use both for male and for female, like friend, engineer, monitor, doctor, teacher, parents. So that's why this is called common gender because we can use this for both. Okay, for male and for female, so that's why this is called common gender. Okay, now next, neuter gender. So what is neuter gender? These are the nouns which are used for non-living things like tree, coat, trouser, chair, table, pen, pencil, fruits, lamps, etc. Okay, so for when we use non-living things, okay, that is called neuter gender. Now rules of the change gender. Okay, rules to change gender. So what is the rules of to change gender? So there are 3 rules to change the masculine gender into feminine gender. So rule number first, by adding ESS to the masculine gender. How we are going to do this? Okay, look at here, this is masculine and this is feminine, we are going to use ESS. Okay, in last. Okay, by adding in last. Okay, this is hunter and we add ESS, this is become huntress. Waiter, waitress. Poet, poetess. Emperor, emperors. Prince, princess. Host, hostess. Count, countess. Lion, lioness. Priest, priestess. Tiger, tigress. Duke, duchess, duchess. Peer, peeress. Actor, actress. Master, mistress. Shepherd, shepherdess. God, goddess. Jew, Jews. Author, authoress. So this is we add ESS. Okay, and this is become feminine gender. Now look at here. Here are some how the following feminines are formed. Look at here. Hero, heroine. Lad, lass. Mr., Mrs. Widower, widow. Bridegroom, bride. Gentleman, lady. And look at here. Rule number 2. By the a different word. Okay, this is different word like boy, girl, son, daughter, dog, beach, papa, mama, monk, nun, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, king, queen, father, mother, husband, wife, sir, madam, drake, duke, man, woman, horse, mare, nephew, niece, book, doll. Okay, so this is by different word. Now next, rule number 3, by changing small words of the compound nouns. Okay, look at here, gentleman, gentlewoman, gentle father, gentle mother, he goat, she goat, man servant, maid servant, washerman, washerwoman, waterman, waterwoman, stepfather, stepmother, stepson, stepdaughter, peacock, peahen, fisherman, fisherwoman, cock sparrow, hen sparrow, milkman, milkman. So today we studied this chapter. I hope you liked it. If you like, then subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. Okay.